Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQL with Bootstrap. I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed. Friends, in previous video I have made this slider, and I would also like to show you that it is fully responsive. So if I decrease the size of this screen, you can see that its size also has been decreased and it is working very well. So friend, from this video I shall begin to do work over these three boxes. So for this purpose I go back to my notepad++, and this is the index.php page is already opened. So I come out of the closing div of container ends. So friend, this is the closing div of container ends, and this div container starts. So right under it and right above the script tag I shall begin my work again for making those boxes. I make one div start and div close. ID is equal to double quotes advantages. First ID is on the name of advantages. Now I comment it, and I'll copy this comment and paste it at its closing div. Ends. Now I make one more div inside this div. And I assign a class to it. Class is equal to double quotes container. Container starts. Now I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Container ends. I make one more div inside the container div. Div start and div close. And I assign a class to it. Same dash height dash row. Now I comment it. Starts. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Here I write ends. I make one more div inside this div. And assign a class is equal to double quotes call sm4. Now I comment it. Copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. I make one more div inside this div. Div start and div close. And I assign it a class box space same dash height. Now I copy this and paste it in the comment. Here I change ends to starts. Now I make one more div inside the box same height div, and I assign it a class also. Class is equal to double quotes icon. I make one itag start and itag close. And I assign a class to this itag, fa space fa dash heart. It will be the heart icon, fa dash heart. You can see this icon in Font Awesome by writing this fa dash heart. Now I have come out of this div and I have made one h3 tag. And I have made one anchor tag inside the h3. Ahref is equal to double quotes and hash dummy id sign. Now I go to my Chrome browser for copying the text, for getting some text. So I come here and I copy this heading. Copy it and I paste it here. I make one p tag, p start and p close under the h3. So I go once again to my browser and copy this text also, and I paste this text inside the p tag. So friend, now I have come out of this call md, call sm4 ends, the closing div of call sm4. So I shall begin my work under it. And I have made one div start and div close. And I assign a class to it. Call sm4. Call sm4 stars. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. And here I write ends. Div start and div close. I have made one more div inside the call sm4 div. And I assign a class to it. Box space same height. Friend, I am using the same method which I used in making the previous box. So I copy it and paste it inside the comments. Copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. And here I write ends. I make one more div inside it. div start and div close. Class is equal to double cars. I assign it a class icon. The same method which I used before. And now I make one I tag. And I assign it a class fa space fa dash tags. Now I make one h3 tag, h3 start and h3 close. Anchor. Inside the h3 I have made one anchor tag, ahref is equal to double cars hash dummy sign, and here I put some text. I go to my Chrome browser and I copy this best prices and I paste it here. Now I make one p tag, p start and p close, and I go here and I copy this paragraph text. And paste it inside the p tag. So friend, for making the third box, I shall just copy paste because you have seen that how I have made the first two boxes. So I am copying the div. I would like to tell you and I would like to show you clearly that div which is being started from class call sm4. Call sm4 starts and call sm4 ends. I have copied this, the whole text which is inside this div, including this div. So I have copied it and I come out of it. I have pasted it. Now I shall just change the text. So I come here and I copy this text by pressing Ctrl C, and now I change it. Now I shall change the p text, paragraph text. So I copy it, come back here, and I shall write this one. Ctrl S to save. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser and go to this theme which is under construction, which is being made. So I refresh this page and now you can see that this scroll bar is being shown, and you can see these three strips are also being shown. Actually I have not yet stylized them in style.css, therefore these three icons, these icons are not showing here, but they are showing here. So it does not matter. When I shall begin my work in style.css, then everything will be okay, but I shall begin my work in style.css in next video. So I see you in next video. Good.